Very. It's a very common word in English. Have you ever noticed how often do you use the word very in your everyday English conversation? In today's video, I will teach you 20 words that you can use and make yourself sound more confident and fluent in English. Interesting, isn't it? Let's begin the lesson. Very boring. You could say, it's dull. Very easy. Smooth. Very fast. Quick. Very weak. Frail. Let me give an example for this. His frail hands could hardly hold a cup. Very stupid. Idiotic. Very tasty. Delicious. Very tired. Exhausted. Very brave. Courageous. Very fancy. Lavish. Very eager. Keen. Very cold. Freezing. Very rich. Wealthy. Very clean. Spotless. Very afraid. Fearful. Very noisy. Deafening. Let's look at an example. The sound of the sword was deafening to the ears. Very tall. Towering. The tourists were mesmerized with the towering skyscrapers. Very funny. Hilarious. Very strong. Forceful. Let's look at an example. There was a forceful storm in that area. Very small. Petite. How could you replace this commonly used word? You could simply say petite. Here's an example. $1 million for this petite bungalow. And the last word for today's class, very often. How often do we use the word often? You could simply replace it by using frequently. Something that happens regularly happens frequently. Well, that's all for today. If you found the lesson helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and also hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I shall see you soon in the next class. Till then, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.